guys, so today we are doing this pink glowy makeup look. So if you're someone who thinks that pink makeup only looks good on fair skin, but it's not, you just have to pick the right undertone and just blend everything properly. That's it. So for smooth and hydrated base, I've used this Mars primer. Then I'm using this Inside Cosmetic orange color corrector. I'm just applying the orange corrector on the areas where I have darkness. And in this video, I've used all the products which are under rupees 500. For the foundation, I'm using this Pilgrim foundation. So basically this is a serum foundation and I'm in the shade golden beige. You can clearly see how perfectly it's matching my skin tone. So I'm going in with thin layer first and then I'm going to build it wherever I need the more coverage, and then quickly I'm gonna blend it with a wet beauty blender. So next I'm using this contour shade from Inside Cosmetic palette. I'm keeping the contour really soft and blending it on upward direction because I want a lifted look but also in a soft girl effect. Okay, so now this one is my favorite concealer and most used concealer. This one is the only concealer that I use. Firstly, it's very affordable and in this price it gives such a good quality. While my concealer is setting, I'm gonna fill my eyebrow with this Swiss Beauty eyebrow pencil. Just fill in the gaps and then brush it and you'll get sharp, defined and natural looking eyebrows. So now that my concealer is set, I'm using this brush. It's from Mars Cosmetic, their concealer brush. So first I blend the concealer with brush, then I use a damp beauty sponge. So as this is a pink glowy makeup look, I want my under eyes to look more fresh and not cakey or heavy. Now here comes the most important part of this whole pink makeup look. It's the blush. So I'm using this Inside Cosmetic cream blush, but to make it more glowy, we are going to mix Hilary Rhoda liquid highlighter with it. This one makeup hack is amazing if you are into that dewy glass skin kind of a glow. The pink shade gives a very beautiful fresh look to the cheek, while the liquid highlighter is giving a luminous glow. This is exactly the kind of blush I wanted for this look. Pink, fresh, glowy and super feminine. Now to make the makeup long lasting, I'm using this Swiss Beauty loose powder and setting the areas where I get more oily. Now let's get into eye makeup. For that I'm using this Swiss Beauty Awaken eyeshadow palette. I am so obsessed with this palette because just look at the shade, they're so pretty. Now firstly I'm using this warm pink kind of a shade on my eyelid. Now I'm taking the shimmer shade from the same palette and I'm putting on my eyelid and also on my inner corner. Now for eyeliner, I'm using this Lakme liquid eyeliner. I'm just keeping the liner very thin and slightly winged because I don't want eyeliner to cover the pretty pink eyes. Now for mascara, I'm using this Swiss Beauty mascara to lift and curl my lashes. I've been using this mascara for like 2-3 years and still I am obsessed with this one. So now lastly for the lip combo, I'm using this Swiss Beauty lip liner in the shade light brown and I'm just slightly outlining my lips naturally. And now for lipstick, I'm using this Sugar Cosmetic liquid lipstick. It's in the shade nude kind of pink. I just simply apply a very little dot of lipstick on my lips and then I dab it with the finger and then I'm topping it off with a clear gloss. It instantly giving that juicy glossy lips. So lastly, I'm gonna add some powder blush from this Sugar Cosmetics palette. So this was the final look. I hope you guys like this pink glowy makeup tutorial, and if you did, then do like, share and subscribe to my channel.